guys, this is Inkaroy Gaming, and for today's video I will teach you how to square a 2-digit number or how to square a 3-digit number. It's just simple. I know you'll be proud of yourself if you will get this technique. Okay, so please do enjoy, please do watch and learn how I do the tricks. So here we go. So we will have our first example, which is the square of 24. So the first step you are going to have or to do is create a 3 spaces. Okay, so we have here 1 space, second space, then third space. Okay, so we have it. So for this first space, that would be the square of the first number. How to identify the first number? From the 24, this become your first number, and this become your second number. Okay, so this first space is the square of your first number, so that become 2 squared. Then for the second space, that is the product of the 2 number multiplied by 2. Again, the product of 2 times 4, 2 and 4 multiplied again by 2. That is constant. We multiply the answer of this one by 2. So we have here 2 times 4, that is 8, times 2, that will become 16. Then the last space will become the square of the last number or the second number. So that is 4 squared. So let's simplify this one. We have 4, we have 16, we have 16. Okay. After this process, we will start our final answer at the last number or last digit. So we have here 6. Take note, if you have 2 digits in the 3 spaces, specifically in the second and the third spaces, the first number will be carried over to the second number. So it becomes 16 plus 1, that is 17. 16 plus 1, that is 17, will become 7, and the 1 in 17 will be carried over to here, so that is plus 1. Okay, then 4 plus 1, that is 500. 4 plus 1, that is 5, so the answer is 576. Okay, let's have another example. So we have 45. Okay, let's do the process. So first, create 3 spaces. The first space, that is the square of the first number. So 4 squared, that is 16. The second space, that is the product of 4 and 5 multiplied by 2. So that will become 4 times 5. 4 times 5, that is 20. 20 times 2, that is 40. Then for the last space, that is the square of the second number, which is 5. So 5 squared, that is 25. That's 25. Okay, let's finalize our answer. So let's start with the last number. So we have here 5. Then this 2 will be carried over to the second, so this becomes plus 2. So 40 plus 2, that is 42. So the 2 will be bring down, and the 4 will be carried over to the next space. So it will become 16 plus 4. Then 16 plus 4, that is 20. So we will write 20. So 45 squared is equal to 2020. 25. So let's proceed to the third example. So we have here 78 squared. Okay, so first process, create 3 spaces. And for the first space, that is the square of the first number, which is 7. So 7 squared, that is 49. Then for the second space, that is to multiply all these 3 numbers, 7, 8, and 2. Well, 7 times 8, that is 56, times 2, that is 112. Okay, then for the last number, or for the last space, that is the square of the last number, which is 64. Okay, so let's start with the last digit. So bring down 4. This 6 will be carried over to the next number, that is 112 plus 6, that is 118. So bring down 8. This time, since it is 3-digit number, then the first 2 number will be carried over to the next. So this will be plus 6 here. So 118 supposedly here. But since we bring down 8, then the 11 will be carried over to the first space, which is 49 plus 11. That will become 60. So our final answer will become 6084. Okay. Then for our fourth example, we have here 34 squared. So again, we have 3 spaces. 3 squared, that is 9. 3 times 4 times 2. 3 times 4, that is 12. Times 2, that is 24. Then 4 squared, that is 16. So let's start with the last number. So we have 6. Then carried over, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25. So that 2 will be carried over here. So 9 plus 2, that is 11. Our final answer is 1156. So you should try this at home. You could try another example and check your answer with your calculator if it is correct. If you have any questions, or if you want any more videos like this, you could follow me on my channel, Sinkaroy Gaming, and please don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell, the subscribe in my channel. Have a good day everyone, and thank you for watching.